We believe the whiteboard is the most underrated magical space there is. Think about it for a second. It is the space where ideas come to light, a broadcast tower for your mind, the bridge between dreams and reality. Born from a deep understanding of this importance, we set out to design the best whiteboards ever, with premium features like bezel-less design, rounded corners, and double-sided writing surface, with solid steel legs and medical-grade caster wheels. Presenting Mingle boards, the world's best mobile whiteboards. Whether you're an entrepreneur, an executive, a home business owner, or part of a dynamic team, your ideas deserve a canvas that facilitates creativity and collaboration. Mingle boards, because your ideas deserve the best.